Malti Devi had a lot of turns his house. The whole house was run by her. Malti Devi's husband Jangam Singh has also given the responsibilities and to house her wife Malti Devi and Jangam Singh and three sons and three daughters-in-law whose names are the Kvitas and Mansis. Malti Devi always used give is important elder daughters law and never like Mansi because Mansi and our young sons had an love marriage.
Hey, dear Sudha, please make me a cup of tea.
Hey, now this old lady wants tea. Every time she keeps asking for something or the other. Huh, yeah, good idea. I will tell Kavita to make tea for her.
But instant Sudha goes to Kavita asked said to me.
Now see, this sister Sudha put me in trouble and coolly went away. She doesn't do anything herself and always asks me to do the work. I will just go and tell Mansi to make tea for mummy.
Kavita goes to Mansi. Mansi is to his important work.
Hey Mansi, mummy is asking for tea. So quickly go and make a cup of tea for her, please.
Yes, sister.
Mansi leave her important work and quickly make a cup of tea's mother-in-law.
Why are you bringing tea? I had told Sudha to make tea. Sister Kavita came to me and asked me to make tea for you. Oh shit! What a bad tea you have prepared! That it almost makes anyone become a diabetes patient. Mummy, actually, shut up. Now don't talk much and go from here.
Malti Devi's two elder daughters-in-law, very clever and extremely lazy, gradually the extra atmosphere the house is posting because of them, and they Malti Davis talks to husband this.
How long will this continue like this? We both are getting old now, and we will have to hand over the responsibility to one of our daughter in laws.
Yes, yes. Then why to think so much? Give it to Sudha.
No, no, I can't give these keys to anyone like this. I will give these keys and the responsibility of the house to the one who deserves it.
But how will we know who is worthy?
Will come to know. I have thought about it. Now there will be a test, mother in law's test. I will give the responsibility of this house and the safe keys to the person who deserves it.
What kind of test, my dear?
Now you just wait and watch.
The next day, Malti Devi goes to her three daughters-in-law and places the keys is his house and the safe in front of them.
What is all this, mummy?
This is a test, daughter in law. I have decided to hand over the responsibility and the safe to my most promising daughter in law.
But why to think so much about it? I'm the eldest daughter in law of the house, so this should be my right accordingly.
How will she take these responsibilities? Who couldn't make a cup of tea for me?
You're right, mummy.
Why you laughing, Kavita? You had also given this small task to your younger sister-in-law, Mansi. Are you worthy of these keys?
Forgive me, mummy.
Won't you say anything, my youngest daughter-in-law? You both did a love marriage. You have controlled my son. So will you be able to get these keys?
The three daughters then silently front mothers-in-law.
Now your three tests will begin tomorrow. Whoever passes these 3 tests will surely get the keys.
All the three daughters-in-law get ready for the test. Next morning, Malti Devi gives the first test.
Today is your first test, in which all three of you have to prepare some good food of your own choice. And for this, you all have to go in the kitchen one by one, and you will get 1 hour of preparation time.
The three daughters-in-law goes to kitchens one by one. First of all, they goes to kitchens and make delicious sweet pony and puris. Malti Devi come to the kitchens and taste food prepared by Sudhas. And after the Kavita goes to kitchens and start thinking. For should she makes that mothers give her the keys.
Let me do one thing and quickly order something from Lakshmi restaurant. Compared to the food there, Sudha sister's peas paneer is a failure.
Kavita's order food from Lakshmi restaurants, then call a mother-in-law.
Wow, the smell of food is very nice, Kavita.
Malti Davis puts up first grade of food. Finally, Mansi goes to cook and made the sweet rice pudding and taste mother-in-law.
Sweet rice pudding is delicious, but rice was not in the house. So, how did you make it? Mummy, last night the extra cooked rice was kept in the fridge and there was not much time left, so I made sweet rice pudding out of that.
She made pudding from the stale rice and fed it to her mummy. She can never win this test.
Yes, you're right, sister.
Hey, all of you keep silent. Still, you have 2 more tests to go. Okay, now take all of you 2000 rupees each and spend them as you wish. Today, I'm very happy with all the three of you. That is why I'm giving it to you.
The daughters-in-law became very happy after taking the money and leave the house after sometimes all the three of them.
Okay, you three are back. Now tell me one by one, what did you do with rupees 2000?
Look, mommy, what a beautiful sari I have brought for myself.
It is really very beautiful, but it looks very expensive.
Hey, mommy, I have bought this from a big showroom.
Okay. Come on, Kavita. Tell me, what have you bought?
Hey, mummy, I did not bring anything, but you didn't see my face. How is it glowing? I went to the parlor and took the package of rupees 2000 in which they gave me the entire face treatment.
Oh wow, Kavita. That's why your face is shining so much. Well done. Okay, now tell me, Mansi, what have you bought? I have bought 2 pairs of clothes for Sheetal Didi's daughter. It is her birthday the day after tomorrow. And still some money is left, Mummy. Please keep it. You haven't taken anything for yourself? No, Mummy. I have a lot of clothes with me. Even those clothes are not used regularly. Now all 3 of you go and wake up early in the morning tomorrow at 5. You have to go to the temple and bring prasad for me from there. This is your 3rd and final test.
All the three daughters-in-law leave from them and set alarms. Next morning, one sleeps happily. Night as soon as 5 o'clock in morning, start the alarms ringing. All three hears and all three get up.
Oh God, this mommy woke me up so early in the morning.
After some time, all the three daughters-in-law came in front, mothers-in-law with prasad.
Come on, everyone. Feed me prasad quickly.
Yes, mummy, please take these laddus.
Hey, sister, you have got laddus, but I have got barfi.
Mummy, take this halwa. Today there was a special day in the temple, so the priest had given halwa to everyone as prasad. Okay, so you both did not get halwa prasad?
Uh, hey, mummy, actually I had gone very early, so that time it had not even started.
Yes, mummy. When I reached, everything was over.
Okay, never mind.
Hey, mummy, now all 3 tests have been completed, so tell us who will get the keys?
Here are the keys of the safe of this house, and after a lot of thinking, I have decided that it deserves only and only my youngest daughter in law, Mansi.
Mansingh calling names Sodas and Kvitas races became Robins.
But mummy, Mansi did not do anything in the right manner. Look how late she came from the temple. She must have woken up late in the morning.
Okay, my dear Sudha, did you get up on time? Well, leave all that. Sudha, I will come to you first. You cooked food but turned the entire kitchen into a dustbin. After that, you brought something worth rupees 500 for rupees 2000 because that money was not yours. And leave it about going to the temple. You did not even come out of the house today.
But mummy, how did you know that I did not go out of the house?
Don't worry, I will tell you all that. Let me first talk to Kavita. You didn't even consider it necessary to cook food and ordered it from Lakshmi restaurant. Hey, I won't be able to recognize the taste of that restaurant. On top of that, you also left the bag of the restaurant there only. You have shown intelligence, but you should have had that much of brain too. After that, you came from the parlor after wasting 2000 rupees, whereas otherwise you managed with some of the home remedies. And yes, as far as going to the temple is concerned, you too didn't go there. Am I right?
No, Mummy, that.
Leave it. It is enough, Kavita. Now let me talk to my most brilliant and intelligent daughter-in-law, Mansi, whom I always scolded and disliked just because she married as per her choice. But today, she has won my heart. Yesterday, she had a total of 1 hour to cook, but still she cleaned the garbage of the kitchen spread by Sudha and then started cooking. There was not much time with her, so she made such a wonderful sweet rice pudding from the cooked rice left over last night. After that, when I gave her 2000 rupees, she used them properly. Instead of buying clothes for herself, she bought clothes for her sister in law's daughter. Both of you must have forgotten Gudia's birthday, which is in 2 days.
Sodas and Kvitas keep less mothers-in-law with the two has about, but our thoughts going on mind is house three daughters-in-law not go to the temples.
What happened, my daughter in laws? Are you wondering how I came to know that you did not go to the temple? That is by seeing your slippers. Last night I cleaned the slippers of all the three of you and kept them outside. And when I saw in the morning, the slippers of both of you were clean as they were, whereas Mansi's slippers had mud on them because she had woken up in the morning and went to the temple. Both of you failed badly in the test, and my daughter Mansi has passed.
Malti Davis has hugs young daughters and places the keys in hand from the first times get so much love, affections and respect from mothers-in-law that she have never even bring up. Malti Davis always love young daughters them was the most and concerts in all her.